Hi, everyone, this is Wayne. I'm out in the barn here and I'm going to show you my Flex cordless impact driver or impact wrench. It's a 24 volt system and it really does a job for me. Okay, so I'm going to take the tire off, but I'm not going to loosen it all the way right now, of course. It's still on the ground. But just show you the quick work this makes of it. Now, I do already have a jack underneath this, so we are working safe. Okay, there you go. I mean, just a simple look at it. Now it's a Flex 24 volt impact driver. It's brushless. If that means something to you, I don't know what it means, but I think it's good. Anyway, give these a try. Flex tools are good stuff. Thanks. Bye now.